Hey hotel hoppers, welcome to another episode. Today we are in Bangkok and trying out DoubleTree by Hilton Ploenchit and one of the king premium rooms. There are four different layouts of this room: 01, 02 and 03. We are checking out 13 on the 24th floor, so room 2413. Come on in and see how does this room look like. So this is the highest non-suite room, higher than the standard or deluxe room, and it is quite spacious. First of all, in the bathroom, in this premium room you also have a bathtub in addition to the usual shower facility. That's, I think, setting the premium rooms apart. In one of the layouts, what we saw 04 ending, I think, there was also like a window, but this one, the 13, doesn't. But it's still spacious and yeah, a single sink, but that's, I think, fine. And everything looks very fresh and clean. I believe that this hotel was a different brand hotel, and then they renovated to become DoubleTree. And then COVID hit, so they were closed, and that's why, even though we have been doing lots of Bangkok hotel reviews, we finally now, as they have reopened, we managed to get here. The closet has dedicated trays for shoes or slippers. It has robes, big safety box, and of course, yeah, space for your clothes. Okay. Oh, and the other side there is just ironing equipment. The room itself, there is a spacious area for bags. You can put even a bigger suitcase here. There is a TV working area with a pretty decent chair and desk light. You can't, sadly, I think you can figure out, like, for the evening video calls, you can also like put it here, so it's a light coming to you, and a neutral background. So if you're working from the road, this is good setup. I see a charging options right here as well, the universal plug, and then two USBs, and a socket also for HDMI, so you could connect it to the TV. Maybe use it to watch a film or as a second display. We also have a sofa next to the window. Maybe you want to read a book or just want to see outside. We are currently on 24th floor, so the city scenery is pretty nice. From this room, we see the neighboring Novotel Ibis Sukhumvit 4, Landmark Bangkok. I see in distance Sheraton Grand Sukhumvit Westin, and just next to us is also JW Marriott. What else? Here we have some tea and coffee making facilities. Not too fancy. You have just some Tilmach English breakfast tea, and the coffee option is down to Nescafe Red Cup instant coffee. You have also 2 bottles of water, and when you're checking in, you get the famous DoubleTree chocolate chip cookie as well. And then the fridge itself is free for you, so if you want to bring some snacks or drinks and fill it up. Bedside, there is a USB, Bluetooth speaker clock radio, extra USB charging points, and the universal port. And this one is in king size bed configuration. It looks nice. It looks like feather pillows and comfy bed, not too hard. Otherwise, thigh is like hard beds, I think. And overall, it feels nice and fresh. So a pretty kind of decent room here to be in if you're considering maybe even like a longer stay. You can work, you can sleep, you can stow your things, and you're in quite central location. Yeah, if you have some extra questions regarding this DoubleTree by Hilton Bangkok Ploenchit, you can put comments below. Yeah, happy to get back to you. Oh, maybe one thing I can also mention about if you are Hilton Honors Diamond member, as benefit, there is no lounge, but at the check-in you get a drink voucher, like a welcome drink voucher, which you can redeem on the lobby bar, and also as a Diamond member you can get free breakfast, which is next to the reception. There is a restaurant. I believe there is a swimming pool and gym on the 7th floor as well. I will be checking out that later. If you want to see some other reviews done in Bangkok, check out the previous reviews we have been doing in Bangkok. We have been visiting quite some properties, and if there happens to be like a property that you are interested in, we haven't been yet, again let us know which should be the next hotel we would be making the review here in Bangkok. And if you are traveling beyond Bangkok, we are also reviewing other parts of Thailand. Again, you can check the previous reviews. And if you want to stay up to date of all the next places we're going to visit, hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already, and you will be notified of all the next this kind of detailed videos of different hotel rooms and suites across Thailand and beyond. Thank you for watching, and see you soon again in a new hotel, in a room or a suite.